Top of the morning. I am on my way to work. Figured I'd take you guys with me. Yep, I'm Ra. It's my 03 Cobra. And it's cold. My cold start in this car sounded rough this morning, boy, but comes with the territory. I'm rolling these goddamn windows up. But yeah, man, glad you guys are back. Glad you guys have been tuning in. Can't wait for it to get warm again. I really hope we don't have a crazy ass winter. I know some people are having even crazier winters, but it's the whole reason I moved down south, bro. One of the reasons anyway. Shit. Nobody want to deal with that snow no more. No more. Even though we do get snow and ice down here. It sucks, but you know. Anyway, the car is driving pretty well. Don't have any issues really. I wouldn't say there are issues. I am getting a code off and on. P0172 and P0175. O2 sensors basically, and I believe that's from the cold and the E85 together. Talked to another dude on Instagram. He's been getting the same codes too. You know, comes with the territory, bro. Car's running fine though. Summertime comes, we have more upgrades for the car coming, but you know, gotta stack up now. Now is grind time to get everything together. Is that a fake M3? Jesus Christ. Did fill up last night. Put some E in the car. Love the downshift there. That's my little my favorite little tunnel to downshift. McDonald's is looking crazy. Hope they don't have no serious lines. Like a ZL1 over there. Yeah, man, I'm tired. Need some coffee. For surely need some coffee. And that's what we're going to get. Maybe. Oh, okay, yeah. They're pretty empty. I'm not sure what he's doing. Yep.
Hello, this is McDonald. Will you be there on my work today?
Nah, no mobile app today for me.
How may I help you?
Can I get a small coffee with 3 cream, 3 sugars, and an apple pie?
Okay. Anything else?
Nah, that's it.
Thank you. Please.
All right. That's what I usually get, especially in the mornings. I don't really fuck with McDonald's too tough. Try to just get regular stuff. Good morning. All right, breakfast has been acquired. It is chilly willy outside today, boy. Haha, chilly willy. But yeah, can't wait for more of these upgrades to come. Damn, she pulled right up on that guy. I know that cartoon, I think, with the cat in the bus. If you guys can see that, you guys let me know what cartoon that is. Crazy what they're doing with all this stuff, man. There used to be a serious house right here where they had everything. Anything you needed, they had, if you know what I'm saying. Of course, I never entertained any of that, but they had it. It was definitely there. Definitely. Poor guys. Yeah, man. Definitely, car's driving great, you know? And I stabbed it last night on my way home from work, and I had no traction. And I believe it's from the weather, I believe, but it hadn't rained in about 15 hours. But it's still cold, so I'm pretty sure my tires weren't grippy like they should be. But it was a little crazy, for surely. Got a little sideways. Yeah, my commute is like non-existent. I really don't drive too far. If I'm not going to McDonald's, I'm not going nowhere else, bro. Jesus Christ. They really do be doing 30 miles an hour in this neighborhood. Bless their hearts, especially in the morning time. I do love my steering wheel though. Makes it so much more interactive. Even the simplest tasks like just driving to the grocery store or going to McDonald's. Makes it fun. It's almost like a video game. It's almost like a video game. Car's warmed up. I'm blessed, truly blessed to have a 03 Cobra. Truly blessed, bro. Definitely one of those things where you gotta thank God. Thank you, God, for the blessings, for surely. Oh my God, what are they doing up here? They had an accident. There's an accident up there. I am definitely going to park in my spot because they do this all the time. Nothing but accidents. Let me go park in my spot before they try to park in my spot. Fucking horrible. Try to get them to not park in my spot. Alright, they're cool. Yeah, not gonna mess up my work day. Early morning enjoyment. All right. See you guys in a little bit.